So welcome to the super duper optional part 6 of my video lesson series. This section I want to discuss other software programs out there in the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. The two that I want you guys to pay attention to are the Adobe Audition, which is this little AU icon here. And the second one is Adobe Premiere Pro, so this PR. I know in this particular workshop I didn't go over anything with audio or I didn't go over anything with video, but I wanted to steer you guys in the right direction in case that's something you would like to further explore on your own. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right to it. We're going to jump right over to Adobe Audition first. So Adobe Audition is to edit audio. In fact, it was one of my colleagues who said this is the software that she uses when she creates apps and whatnot with indigenous languages. So here are some examples that I worked on with elders from my community. You can see and edit the waveform. So here's an example of I'm Dreaming.
I'm dreaming.
And you can see your audio input down below.
Let's go walk.
You can also, this is another resource to look into on your own, is finding free audio samples. So here was one that I used for fun, and it's like a dragon roar. So there's a lot of free audio samples out there, but very similar to photographs and videos. Always make sure to check the licensing and make sure that you have the rights to use it in whatever you may be editing. So Adobe Audition's good for creating all types of audio and editing all types of audio. So again, check out Adobe Audition. So the second software we're going to be looking at is Adobe Premiere Pro, which deals with videos and filmmaking. These are not my materials, but I just wanted to show you guys an example. Adobe Premiere Pro has a lot of tutorials, and I wish I could tell you everything there is to know about Adobe Premiere Pro, but just here's a quick example. It's a linear timeline. You have your videos up here and your sound down here. So let's go ahead and play this little sample clip for you. So this is where you could incorporate media, video footage from both Pixabay and Pexels to create your own story, and then assemble it on a timeline and then export it. So this is a very quick lesson. Again, I just wanted to point you all in the right direction if you plan on exploring audio and video making. So thank you again. This is the final end of my video series, so thanks again so much for joining me, and I look forward to meeting all of you during the live streams.